Hello everyone, I am Kin Lemel Pukoy and with my partner,
Japet Leones.
in today's world, where the population of human beings in the world has been increasing, there are many problems that we need to solve in order to make our planet livable. So that the UN or the United Nations created 17 SDG or the Sustainable Development Goal to solve this problem. And in our task, we will talk about what is SDG number 12, all about, which is named Responsible Consumption and Production ensures sustainable consumption and production patterns. We have 7 questions about this SDG. First is, what is your SDG about? Answer, it has simple definition. SDG 12 is about using resources wisely and making things in ways that don't harm environment or people. It's about being responsible and what we buy, use, and throw away. And the main issues in this SDG is it addresses problems like pollution, waste of overuse of resources like water and energy, and the unfair distribution of resources. And the number 2 question is,
Why is this goal important? Consequences of failure. If we don't achieve this goal, we'll face more population, resource depletion, running out of important things, climate change, and social inequality. It will be harder for everyone to have a good life. In fact, it affects everyone: people, health, the environment, air, water, land, and the global economy, how countries spend money. And the
third question is the global status. Progress is mixed. Some countries are making strides in reducing waste and improving efficiency, while others still face significant challenges. The UN regularly publishes updates on progressing towards all SDGs, including SDG number 12. Specific statistics are constantly updated. And recent updates or examples is, look for recent reports from UN website, from UN.org or other reputable sources like the World Bank or Environment Organization for the most update and statistic examples. And the next question is number 4.
target and indicators. Targets, sub-goals. 2 examples include reducing waste generation and promoting sustainable tourism. Another is achieving the sustainable management and efficient use of natural resources. Measurement. These are measured through various indicators such as the amount of waste generated per capita, the efficiency of resource used in industries, and number of sustainable tourism initiatives. And the 5th
project or solutions. Organization or projects. Many organizations work on this goal. The Ellen MacArthur Foundation focuses on circular economy or the reducing waste by reusing and recycling. Locally, many communities have been recycling programs and initiatives to reduce plastic waste. For example, making bag from plastic bitaw nga plastic nga mga pagkaon bitaw para sa mga wishi or wallet ba lang gampon. And then a global example is the growth of companies focused on sustainable packaging and products. A local example might be a community garden promoting local food production. Para sa tanggi ingon na ganina. Next is the challenges.
Challenges, obstacles. Achieving this goal faces many challenges. Economic factors, the cost of sustainable practice, lack of awareness among consumers, insufficient infrastructure for recycling and waste management, and political will governments not making it a priority are all significant barriers.
And the last one is what we can do. You individuals action, you need to reduce, reuse, or recycle. Choose the products with less packaging and from sustainable sources to support businesses and prioritize sustainability. Community actions. Participate in local cleanup initiatives. For example, kanang clean up sa kanang coastal clean up. Mga nga na kanang maglimpyo, mga katunggan para malimpyo ang mga bitaw na di makuha ng mga isda sa dagat. And support local farmers markets to reduce food miles and packaging. Kanang kitahay, pwede ta magtanong-tanong sa atong bay para sa atong nataran bitaw sa atong bay para dili ta maka-consume o kanang daghan nga mga pagkaon kaya nga atong gi-consume nga mga pagkaon kay gikan mga pud nato ato ang tinanlom niya dita ka nang maka daghan nga resources. And for our conclusion, this SDG talks about the responsible consumption of production and patterns where you need to kanang himuon mo ay kanang mag-consume kag kanang tarong kanang di nimo labi-labihon og kanang paggamit ang mga butang bitaw kay pwede na makasira sa atong kalibutan or mahurot ang atong resources kay sa gingon pa nila ang resources na daw na di daw kanang permanente pwede na siya mawala niya o mawala na siya wala na tayo makaon or magamit sa atong kalibutan. So we will thank the UN or United Nations who created this SDG to make our planet livable and so that the young generation can live our planet with happily and no danger. Thank you.